Hello guys. Okay, let's try and make a trade using SMC, smart money concepts, by using smart money options. Lewis Kelly is very big, like a teacher proponent for this particular trade type, and I'm trying like many various things to trade with some indicators and just read the charts. But came across of Lewis teaching, and it seems pretty decent. And you know, it's at least you can read the charts by using this type of trading, and it seems to really a great way to learn to, like a chart. If you not end up using it at the end, but just for learning, it's a very great like a tool and way to learn start the trading. So here's my history, and so far I have this like steps. It's a few steps. Made the compilations, and I want to try to just read the charts. And if you can read this together with me, and if you have some things or pointers, definitely you comment, and along the way we can learn this. All right, so let's begin the steps. And okay, one sec. All right. First steps is build a directional bias, just starting up to SMC trading. And yeah, where's the markets going on right now? It's 25, first 27, so Monday. And all right, so here's our charts. We can start to read from 4 hours, and yeah, you can see definitely like getting in the pullback, and this was the latest highs, and after this lower low it started to pull back. And yeah, 4 hours, and you can see at least for 4 hours is getting the bullish, and headed like a pullbacks a couple of times. And this is like a little bit fair value gap. And yeah, but I think it's not coming back into this, and yeah, it's going further. And right, let's begin the steps. Build a directional bias. It is going up right now. So yeah, is identifying. Yeah, it is like from pointers 1 and 2. It will be identify swing points, those higher highs, lower lows into this small window. It's like in a higher time, it'll be this like a high, this lower low. Again, it's getting pullback. I think this is going to be high, lower low. This is high. This is like a break of this low, and it's coming to pullback. And this was, yeah, this was latest like high, and this was a breakthrough from this high, and this is becomes like a lower low, I think. Yeah, and now we can go into like a 50-minute 50 minutes, see it is bullish or bearish. And yeah, you can see it is becoming bullish, because latest it was this, and now it's was became, it's like a those higher high came to this place as a break. It was able to break, but it was able to break later. So let's read the charts. And the charts will read like this. This is like lower low, and this is the highs of this low, and this chart breaks this high, and this is lower low. This low breaks in this high, and again this lowest points of this high in 50 minutes, and this is lowest point of this high. So this is low high, and this is lower low of this high. I took a trade of this point, and I am in profit right now. But this is demo trade, so don't get excited. Me too not. And yeah, and yeah, what's we identify with our swing points, and directional bias is going up. All right, what's next step? And break of structure, then intended shell change of character. It's not a break in a structure right now, but there is, yeah, the thing point is set your trading zones from step 1. It will be it determine your trading zone, and this was missed in this learning, but you can do all the steps. It's like a more smaller step, but from 50 minutes trading zone is like this. This is low low, high high, and if this chart not going lower low, is still trying to go up, so our bias is going up, so our trading zone is from this lower low and high high, because this chart can comment like in this pullback and this pullback, and if not going to break this, we're going to try trade higher. All right, as we're speaking now, in 1 minute, it's breaking latest support, this lower low of this high high in 1 minute. So at this point we should take partials, like I think right now. Yeah, I think it can. Yeah, I definitely should come back, because this is a fair value gap, and yeah, it definitely should we take a partials. We should still keep this trade until this 50-minute point breakthrough, and yeah. If not, if it can be going down, but this our bias should like a break in this high. So we just have to be on lookout, because this low was breaking, and it is now potentially can go down lower. So we should like a half of this our trade. We should take in a pocket. All right, so let's be on lookout. All right, so what's next? We have our swing points, trading zones, 50 minutes. we identify those. Here you go. Yeah. Sorry about that. And what's next? Step 2, areas for potential interest. Yeah, we have to look of the fair value gaps, because if this candle not connects for the third candle, and we have like a gap for the second candle, is a fair value gap, and the chart like usually at least in 1 minute, and it's kind of retest this level and going ups, and if down it's going like a comeback retest and going down. So our potential interest right now, it was in this zone, it was going a pullback, and it's breaking two, and now it's going up, and this one, I think this one is it called all order blocks, because blocks of orders is after fair value gap is formed, and could be potential break into this point, and at this point. But for now, it was in this point, and we determine our rights. No, we can market our interest zone, and was tapped into the zone and was traded higher. And yeah, we'll see how it's going through. We have we now in our London trading session, and yeah, second step is determined, and we have other steps. Yeah, okay, order blocks, and then we have the gap. Yeah, right, we have a gap. All right, next step will be identify retail liquidity to avoid. All right, this is could be like still thing to learn. Is like a little bit tricky to liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is those high highs, lower lows, because of your high you would just make a trade, and you go trade a high lower, this is you put in money, and on this you traded higher. This is trader is some money putting on the lowers, and you put in this is you put in on this type of stop loss. If you put a stop loss, your chart going up, and then this loss was break, and yeah, the market that took your money. So yeah, these things to avoid. So if we want to take a trade to higher, could be liquidity be targeted. So this was liquidity, this was a targeted, and this was liquidity, and this was a targeted. So it was I'm not really sure, and right in this point it was really strong with liquidity, but it was targeted, and yeah, and those liquidities also will be targeted, and will be taken, and this ones wasn't taken, but I think it's a potential will be taken. So it's yeah, market can really go through that. So what else markets can be coming in right into this point order block, and can lower, because it's a little bit order blocks coming down, maybe on a higher time frame, markets wanna going down. This is, yeah, this is like a swing point, because on a higher was markets going down on 1 day. It looks like it's going up. It should be going like a retest. You have to be on the lookout. And 1 week, yeah, it could look like its market's going like and to retest. So we have to be on lookout, because market is cannot going all the way and up. So yeah, so far my trading like interpretation of the step number 3, it'll be more steps. So far, let's try and stick around on this, and yeah, gonna be it from this video. And if I have time, I make tomorrow other videos with an advanced chart reading. If you have some comments, I'm definitely go put comments, and if you have some pointers, definitely do point. And yeah, we try to learn together, and all right, we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, so see you tomorrow, next this next video.
I tend to subscribe to this policy.
Do it.
Now, did you do it?
You know what I'm saying? Huh? Stop it.
I'd like to thank you.